Welcome to our YouTube channel where creativity blooms. Today we embark on a journey of artistic expression with a beautiful sunflower drawing. The vibrant hues of yellow and green will dance on your canvas like the sun playing hide and seek with the petals. Imagine capturing the essence of a sun kissed morning in every stroke of your pencil. Sunflowers, with their bold presence, symbolize positivity and radiance. Let's bring that to life on paper. Begin by sketching the steady stem, a foundation for the blossoming beauty that follows. Each petal unfurls like a teeny sunbeam, creating a symphony of nature's elegance. As we delve into shading, let the sunlight guide your hand, casting shadows that mimic the dance of sunlight on petals. Add depth to the center where the seeds form a delicate spiral, nature's own mathematical masterpiece. Don't forget the leaves, each one a graceful companion, swaying in harmony with the sunflower's glory. Precision is key as you bring out the intricate details. Feel the throptic rhythm of sketching as each line contributes the visual poetry of the sunflower. Highlight the contrast between light and shadow, allowing the sunflower to pop off the canvas. Share your progress with our creative community. We are here to inspire and be inspired. Nature's marvels come alive in your hands and capture the texture of the petals, making them almost palpable to the viewers. Zoom in on the details, every crease and fold. Thanks for watching this video.